Welcome to the Mama Mel Collection, a sewing and embroidery business here in Central Florida. And today we are stitching out our first hat. We are going to put the hat attachment on the Poolin EOX 15 needle embroidery machine. And we are going to stitch out an auto cap, a two-tone auto cap. These are so popular, so hot. We are going to do a glitter applique. Number 7 on it. So we're not starting with a simple little easy hat. We are going for an applique, but these are actually pretty simple because it just tears right off. So this isn't necessarily a tutorial on how to do hats with the machine, but we're just running our first hat, putting it together for the first time, and we're gonna see how it stitches out. So come with me and let's give it a grade when we're done. So we took the 2 handrails off that is typical for the flat embroidery, and we slid this one piece on, and you can see there's just 2 of these little screws. Well, 2 of these that slide on and attach, and you know right where they go because it's centered and can't miss. Okay, so that part was easy. Now let's hoop our hat.
You're good.
Paper. No more paper. We should probably change the hat. There we go. Okay. Now let's try. That's better. Okay. Perfect. All right, so we got the cap frame selected on the machine. We are going to do a trace. Need to bring it down a little bit more. Let's put it on, we want needle number 2 for black. So again, this one's gonna be, there is a sweet spot. 600, okay, see, Jessica, that's fast. Perfect. Can you see it did the placement stitch perfect? So we're gonna put this on. I'm so excited, guys. All right, so that, we just wanna make sure it's covered. So now we're gonna do the next. Look, guys, no way. This looks so good. This looks so good. I'm obsessed. It's stitching beautiful. All right, last one. So we're gonna do the satin stitch with the black. Okay, we stitched out our first hat on the Poolin EOX and it turned out beautiful. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. We're gonna turn it around and show you the tension. Looks so good. I probably could loosen the top tension a tad, but honestly, I'm just gonna leave it because that's beautiful. It stitched flawless. It was an applique number 7, so it had the 3 steps, but we put it on automatic. We stitched it at a 550 speed. We used heat transfer, HTV, heat transfer vinyl, glitter, red for the number 7. This is an auto hat. I am very impressed. We're going to do a little press, take it off of the hoop, peel off the stabilizer. Oh, we did use the tearaway cap stabilizer. 1 piece because this is a heavyweight. 3.2 ounce. 3.2 ounce heavyweight. So 1 piece of this is pretty thick. So we just used 1. It stitched so nice. I used a 7511 needle, Richword black thread, stitched it at a 550, switching out the handrails for the cap station, the cap hat hoop was very easy, very simple. And yeah, wow, I'm very impressed. So thank you for coming along with me on that journey of trying the Poolin EOX for our first hat. It turned out beautiful, very happy with it. That is the end of today's video. Again, I have links, I have coupons. Let me know if you're interested in this machine. Again, this was not a specific tutorial. We were just running our first hat on it, checking the tension, trying it out. Okay, wait, I just had a thought. While we're doing a hat video on the Poolin, I'm gonna go ahead and surprise my customer with a side hat embroidery on this hat. So I have the hoop. This is the pocket frame, which is for backs of caps and sides of caps. So we're gonna go ahead and add on a little touch to the side of this hat for her. And I figured it would go well with this video. So again, we did the number 7 And now we're gonna do, ooh, do we want Carter on the back or do we want it on the side? Let me think about it real fast. Okay, so I decided on the back of the hat. So that's what we're gonna do right here. So this hat attachment you can use for sides of hats or backs of hats. And it's a pretty small sewing field. So we are going to line this up using that back seam. Straight. Okay, and then we push down all the way and then we can kind of tighten it from there. There we go. All right, so we're gonna take this and put it on our machine. Yeah. Slides right on straight and connects all the way around just like the regular hat hoop. Hey, that looks good. So let's do trace. Stitched really nicely. Actually, I'm going to, yeah, that's okay. Looks like the bobbin thread showed through a little bit on the A, which is weird. Yeah, I could have loosened the bobbin, the upper bobbin by a little bit, but that looks really good. Just on, you can just see a tiny bit on the A, but that looks really nice. The cap, the back side hat, back hat, hoop, just like that. Makes it really easy to do side of hat, back of hat. That looks really good. Let me trim that really quickly. Very cute. So that's number 7, and then the back. That looks so cute. So good. Okay, now, so we did the hat and we did we did one on the standard hat frame, one on the side hat frame, back of the hat frame. We did front hat, back of hat, and overall stitched beautifully. Very happy with doing hats on the Poolin machine. No issues at all, other than my own tension, but that's one little twist. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Come back for more, subscribe, like, all the things. We'll see you guys later.